You don't want your padding and stuff inside of it. Just take the 4 screws out, which are down here. Well, there's another one somewhere. I probably kicked it somewhere. But anyways, you take it open. This is what it looks like inside of the DG exhaust pipe. This is what I want. This is just what I want right there. So you take all this extra padding out. All this padding that you don't need. See, this is all what it is. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, that's what I want. I just want to put this back in here, just like so. You can put it any way you want. You can set it sideways. You can turn it sideways if you want to. You can face it up if you want to. Hey! People saying hi to me. Florida boy's pretty popular around here. So yeah. So basically you just want to do that. Doing some work to it. Where's that other damn screw? Somewhere around here. Well, let's see what it sounds like now. So technically that's what it sounds like. It'll sound good when I open it up a little bit more. So that's how you take the DG stuff out of it. The padding. That's what quiets it down. And basically throw it away. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Creek Killers out.